y'all, it's Taryn. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I don't know what number it is. I get a box every 2 to 3 weeks, but you didn't see one last time because I wasn't too impressed with what I got. The pieces weren't really me. It was kind of ill-fitting, and I hate to say that this box is kind of the same, but I want to show you because one top I do like, and I'm kind of torn on it. So I need your help to tell me if I need it or if I don't need it. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, and I'm sure most of you here are, but it's a clothing subscription service. They do shoes and accessories as well, but a stylist will curate a box for you based on the things that that person thinks you'll like. Obviously, it's based on what you tell them you want. So they do that, you get it in, you try everything on, what you like, you keep and pay for, what you don't want, you send back in like a pre-packaged slip, a pre-paid packing slip. That's what it is. All right, so I have 5 pieces in this box. That's the typical for every single box that you get. I haven't even looked at prices yet, I'll be honest with you. I tried everything on last night and didn't really care for it. So we're gonna go over prices and items and all that fun stuff. So while I was getting ready to do this video, just putting makeup on and stuff, I was gonna straighten my hair, and I was watching YouTube videos, and the one popped up that Romy just did on how to do Victoria's Secret hair, and I watched it and then curled my hair, and it's raining. I'm about to walk out the door to go to work, and it's raining. I work outside, by the way. But I haven't done this to my, look at that one piece. I haven't curled my hair like this in such a long time. I guess because I just do like a quick, like fat barrel curl and head out the door. But I miss it. Anyway, okay, let's get into the video. So I'll show you the thing first that I liked the most, the one thing that I'm considering keeping. This is a, what brand is it? Market and Spruce in a size 2X. It's a tank top, this like gray and white striped sleeveless top, but the back has this really cute tie feature where the strings hang really long. I think this is really pretty. It's a little bit thick for summertime in my opinion, but it fit perfect. But I can almost guarantee you that I've tried on this exact top before and sent it back. Maybe it didn't have this tie feature in the back, but when I put this on, I felt like I've tried this before. Y'all would probably know more than I would just from watching my videos. So this is 48% rayon, 48% polyester, 4% spandex. Like I said, I like it, but do I like it because it's the only thing that fits me right in the box? I'm not sure. So y'all let me know about this one. This is called the Lexi Tie Back Knit Top Navy size 2X. It is $44. Now let's talk about shorts. I did ask for linen pieces in this box. Y'all know I've got like this thing for linen lately. I just think it's so pretty and like breezy and just nice for summertime. So I did ask for some linen and I got these shorts. These are Market and Spruce in a size 20. They're this really pretty like olive color. They just fit kind of weird. Like they fit in the hips and stuff, but the waistband is a little bit bigger than I would like. And it's also that kind of material that's not really doing me any favors. You know, it's not concealing anything or sucking anything in. It's just kind of lays on my body and it is what it is. I have maybe 1, 2, 3 pair that I can think of now that are a different brand linen shorts that I've gotten from Stitch Fix in the past that I absolutely love. I have a hot pink pair, a navy pair, and then like a floral pattern pair, and I love them. So maybe I need to be more specific and ask for that brand because those are a little bit snug now, so I just need a size bigger, and I think that maybe I would like them better. These are linen, 52% linen actually, 45% rayon, 3% spandex. They would be okay if I absolutely needed a pair of shorts, I was going on vacation, and I didn't have any. Then they would be comfortable, I would take them, I would wear them, no problem. But when I have other ones that I prefer over these, I love the color. So I may ask for that other brand just in this color. So these are called the Laurice Linen Short. Olive is the color, size 20, $58. Now let's talk about this dress. This is the brand Mix by Hawthorne, Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, size 2X. It's just this navy blue like t-shirt dress. It does have a little pocket on the left side on me, but it's that material that's kind of clingy. So I think that had it been a cotton dress, it would fit a lot better, but it's just a little bit clingy for me. The length is great. I like the color in general, maybe not for summertime navy, but this is 95% rayon, 5% spandex. I love the idea of this dress. It just doesn't fit. And I don't even know if a size larger, obviously a size larger would lay on my body a little bit different, but it would still kind of cling to things. So this is a hard no. This is called the Allison Essential t-shirt dress, navy 2X, $38. And the last clothing item, I do have some jewelry. I didn't try this one on camera because it was just way too small. Emery Park is the brand. It's in a size 2X. It's just this black sleeveless top. It's got a little bit of a crisscross detail on the neck. But just holding it up, I could tell that it was going to be too small, and that was definitely confirmed when I put it on my body. It didn't fit. And so that was very disappointing. I always could use these kind of tops as just like layering pieces, and had it fit, I may have kept it. It's called the Dolce Sleeveless Knit Top 2X, $28. So this is actually the cheapest thing in the whole box. And the very last thing is jewelry. I haven't opened it yet. I knew what it looked like from the app. But this is the first time that I'm actually opening it. Okay. It's kind of all... Oh, they wrapped it. Oh, that was smart, so that it wouldn't get all tangled. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's got this, like, white jewel, I guess, kind of thing on it. It's a long necklace. It's okay. I like these long necklaces, but I don't know if I like such a chunky piece at the end. This is called the Stefania Oval Drop Pendant, $34. So now that you've seen everything, let me know in the comment section down below what you think about that first striped sleeveless top. That's the only one that I really care for. So let me know what you think about it. As always, I'll leave a link for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. For the longest time, it's been my favorite subscription box, but these last couple boxes have just kind of been a miss for me. So keep that in mind too when you're ordering. You may get a different stylist or someone who may not really understand you at first. So what I've done is I've gone in and requested a new stylist. So maybe next time we do this, the box will be a little bit different. All right, that's a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.